Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to protect Microsoft Excel worksheet with password. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To protect Microsoft Excel worksheet with password, open Microsoft Excel document and click on File tab. Then click on Info. Here you will find Protect Workbook. Click on Protect Workbook. Click on Encrypt with Password. Now I am going to set the password and then click on OK. Re-enter the password and then click on OK. And look here, a password is required to open this workbook. Now I am going to close. Trying to open the Microsoft Excel workbook again. You require password to open this document. I'm entering the password and click on OK. This is the easiest way to protect a Microsoft Excel workbook with password. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.